Crankshaft. A crankshaft is the engine's backbone, converting the up and down, reciprocating motion of the pistons, driven by combustion, into the smooth, circular, rotational motion needed to turn the vehicle's wheels and power machinery. Connected to pistons by connecting rods, it acts as a central rotating shaft, often with counterweights, to translate linear force into usable torque, making it a vital component for generating power in internal combustion engines. How it works. Piston movement. Fuel combustion pushes pistons down in the cylinders. Connecting rods. Connecting rods link the pistons to the crankshaft's offset crank pins, or rod journals. Motion conversion. As pistons move up and down, they push on the crank pins, forcing the crankshaft to rotate. Rotational power. This continuous rotation is then sent to the transmission and wheels, making the vehicle move. Functions and characteristics. Power transfer. Transfers power from the combustion chamber to the drivetrain. Material. Made from strong materials like steel or cast iron to withstand extreme forces. Balancing. Counterweights help smooth out the engine's operation, reducing vibration from the piston's movement. Engine timing. Also drives other components like the camshaft, which controls valve timing.